Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be playing some Flood Escape 2. So, let's get this video started. What? I have time to make it, right? Oh, I forgot to do my intro. Hold on. Whoa. Whoa, yeah, I love to do a gotcha studio, Roblox and more. Whoa. So yes, like my intro.
And technically not even because their dad is not. It's not Moy. So if they're not even, there's no kind of blood relation at all whatsoever.
Well, let's go in the water. Let's make an intro in the water, swimming. I went in.
Yeah.
So guys, let's go.
Like a fish.
And I did not go in, so I'm gonna be a spectator. Go later, go. Or later. On those jumps, you can't like not stop. You have to stop to jump. Okay?
Yeah.
Like that. And it shows you.
Yeah, I think for her, I think the biggest thing with her is because it's not just me. I'm not just taking it. It's them too.
What are you doing?
And I think that's why she feels it the most because it's not just me.
Shoot. That dumb GIF got me. What GIF? It's called GIF. GIF? It's when
Probably
you make
open
a video.
house.
It's when you make a picture that moves. Go, boy! Boy! What are you doing, boy? It's rising. Oh, boy's dead.
Oh, they didn't even say hi to me. I saw them. It was open house.
Oh,
and that's what. But he went like towards the end. He's like, oh,
it's party time.
And so he went in there and said hi to him.
And she
and
actually
then even for the
lived.
little promotion thing,
okay,
he was with my kids and with Michael, and then he went into Alec thing, but like towards the end. But it's like not only that, but they are not his kids.
Sometimes on the server. Oh yes, I did.
Exactly. That's what I meant.
It was so hard. Spectate me. I'm gonna make a GIF now. But spectate me. No. Yeah, look where I am.
Exactly.
But spectate me to look where I am.
Like he
spectate me so you can know where I am. Yes, we saved my GIF. Okay, spectate me.
And that's
at the top
and
of
he
the
already
list.
like he took him on Saturday because I had to go to work on Saturday, and when he went
like
to
where I
his
am,
check, the boss lady was like, "Oh, is that your kid?" And he just like left and said, "Yeah."
Oosh, guys. Don't have you with that. I made it. Desire, haven't I made it obvious? I'm emoting. I made it clear. Oh yeah, you want me to do the dive? Want me to spell it out for you? Apparent, yes. Haven't I made it obvious? You can spectate people while you're in the game. Move? No, never mind.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. No man left behind in this one.
Exactly. That's what I meant. Like she acts like those are his kids, and I get it. It's their uncle. That's perfectly fine because my brother was like that with my kids before. But not that he can't be there for her kids also. But they put like so much like emphasis on him stepping up and doing stuff for them. When I'm like,
later, can I hit this one?
I already hit my kids are not his kids, but they are going to be pretty much his stepkids.
Go.
And we've been planning to. Yeah.
Help.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, it's gonna be.
I almost died, but it was worth it because I took one for the team. Come on, Michael, let's go. I'm gonna go outside. Come on. Wait, is there someone left behind? No, I can't check. I'm already in. I almost fell into the water. There's people left behind. Run! Everyone, get back, get back, get back!
But I've noticed that since the very beginning.
Help me.
Even my kids thought that.
Is anyone still here?
Alec were his kids.
No. Help me!
Because of everything. She wasn't doing anything. He was doing anything. And I'm like,
okay.
Yeah, that's why I'm like,
it's already been 5 minutes. Oh, this one. I'm going to get the bun. You mean I am, right? No. Oh. Me. Oh no. Shoot. Oh shoot. Help me!
I mean,
I haven't made it.
I'm that right. And I totally agree with, like I said, like my brother was the one where we would go to movies, he would go with us. And I totally get that. But
why is that dude so rude?
I don't know, like I would still do things for my kids, even though my brother would be there to help me. Like everybody's different, and I just see that difference, and I'm like,
how did someone live?
Like we went to the swap meet, and Alec was thirsty, and he said, "Oh, go tell Moy." And I'm like, "You're sitting there." It's
Lost Woods.
Moy's over there.
I already pressed. Got the button. No, I already pressed. I got it. I think you're lagging.
Yeah.
I can't get in.
But we were at the swap meet.
So, you guys didn't press the button.
Yeah, that's different.
I lost connection. Oh, shoot, we did!
Yeah.
We did, but our game was lagging. Uh-oh. He's dead. Hurry this way, quickly. No! I'm a vengeance runner. I'm still alive. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh my gosh, how'd you survive that part? Because I jumped on the pole. I jumped on the pole while we were in the water. So you jumped on my head? We're the only 4 survivors. Everyone else was lagging.
Like the only one out of them
Go, Roblox people.
And it seems like he doesn't want to either, but he at least does.
My game's lagging.
Right.
F-R-I-N-D-S.
Yeah.
Go, go, go. Ow!
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I didn't give them hugs. I just said hi, because I'm like, you don't want to be here.
Who didn't touch the button?
Like
I lost connection, probably.
No,
they pressed the button.
I know, I went to go get my nails done today. I was like, yeah, I need my nails done for this.
Just gonna be right here. How'd I get through?
Yeah.
I lost connection. Okay, got through. So yes, that's it for today's video. See you next time. Oh, whoops.